Tea is the most consumed beverage in the world after water, and tea is a great way to increase your daily water intake, as well as help you top up your caffeine levels. Consuming at least 75 milligrams of caffeine per serving can help to improve concentration levels. Ηerbalife Nutrition uses the finest ingredients and the most sought-after suppliers to source the tea in our instant herbal beverages. We source our own green tea extract from our botanical facilities in China. Instant herbal beverage is a unique blend of orange pekoe, a traditional black tea, as well as green tea with extracts of malva flower, hibiscus flower and cardamom seed. The green tea blend is water extracted to give the full spectrum of compounds. Ηerbalife Nutrition instant herbal beverage contains 85 milligrams of caffeine and approximately 6 calories per serving. Available in 4 delicious flavors which can be enjoyed hot or cold. Top up your caffeine and hydration levels with this delicious instant herbal beverage. Contact your Ηerbalife Nutrition member today for further details.